In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the bands of your Fitbit Charge 5. What you have to do is to turn it around. And here, I don't know if you can see, but there are a plastic clip on the Fitbit itself. You need to pull it this way until it opens up. When it's open, you need to pull the strap itself. Here we go. Just give a little pull. Same thing on the other side. Here you see. Let me pull this clamp. Here you go. You should hear a click when you pull it out. And now gently pull out the other side of the band. Before putting bands on the Fitbit, I strongly encourage you to take a microfiber and wipe this part, because usually there's lots of dust accumulating here. Same thing on the bands. And when you're done and you want to put them back, all you have to do is take the band, and on the Fitbit there's a slot here and there's a tab on the band itself. You need to put them together and you need to hear a click. Here we go. It's secure. You can even try it a bit just to make sure that it's secure. Same thing on the other side. There's a hole here, a slot, and there's this tab. You bring them together until you hear the click. Okay, perfect. Try it and you're done. You now change the band on your Fitbit Charge 5. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, leave a comment, and well, I'll see you in the next one.